feeling down all night. You tell me it's alright. It's alright, alright, alright.
So we are headed outside. Put on some boots, and do need to be cleaning up the house. But I'm deciding to go outside today and be in the yard. So put my little hat on and throw some boots on. Little rain boots that I've been using to garden. You know what, I think I'm gonna get some of the Japanese gardening boots. I think I'll feel more like a Japanese gardener. So I'll see you outside. Let's go. Okay, was I filming at all? Let's see. I don't like how this is just sticking out here, so I kind of want to have it, you know what I mean, like around. Let's take it off. Take it off. One, boom. Okay. I'm sorry, little tree. So we take these, take this, I should have took that branch off. Took off a branch right here. I had planned today to cut the topiary and move my cloffic upstairs, but I don't think it's going to happen today. I just want to relax for the rest of the day. So Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. I just didn't realize how much stuff needed to be moved, and maybe tomorrow. I don't know.